War on Inflation from SLM to MLM. This is Christian Vin B. Partosa, your lifelong learning buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are all soldiers in a very serious war. The war on inflation. Inflation is that silent enemy that attacks your wallet without warning. Before, when you went to the store with 1,000 pesos, you came home with two grocery bags. Today, you come home with a receipt and emotional damage. Before, a 50 pesos bill could buy snacks for the whole barkada. Now, 50 pesos buys you a bottle of water and regret. Even the jeepney fare is rising faster than our motivation on Monday morning. So people started asking, how do we survive this economic battle? Many of us tried SLM, single level marketing. You know what SLM is? It means single level money, or sometimes single level misery. In SLM, you have one source of income, your salary. You work, you wait for payday, then the bills are waiting for you like relatives during Christmas. Your salary enters your account, but it doesn't stay long. Electric bill, hello. Water bill, good evening. Internet bill, we miss you already. Sometimes your money is so fast, it only visits your wallet. It's like a tourist. Nice place, but I won't stay long. That's SLM life. You are the CEO, employee, cashier, and janitor of your income. If you stop working, the money stops too. Now, someone introduces you to MLM, multi-level marketing, and suddenly you realize, ah, inflation is rising, but my income doesn't have to stay single. In SLM, you have one stream of income. In MLM, you can build multiple streams. In SLM, you work 8 hours a day. In MLM, sometimes you work 24 hours a day at the start. But one day, your team works with you and for you. That's the difference. SLM says work harder. MLM says work smarter and build leaders. SLM is like planting one coconut tree. MLM is like planting a coconut farm. When inflation comes, one tree struggles, but the farm keeps producing. Now, I'm not saying MLM is easy. Some people think MLM means money likes me. But the truth is, money likes a movement. You need to move. You need to learn. You need to talk to people. You need to grow. But here's the beautiful thing. MLM is not just about money. It's about personal growth, teamwork, and helping others succeed. Because when your team wins, you win too. That's why they call it network marketing. Because your network determines your net worth. So, if inflation is rising, maybe it's time our income rises too. From SLM, single level marketing, to MLM, multiple levels of momentum, mission, and money. So, my question for you tonight is simple. Are you ready to stay single income? Or are you ready to build multiple possibilities? If you want to fight inflation alone, stay in SLM. But if you want to fight inflation with a team, come join us. Welcome to Team Best, where we don't just survive inflation, we build a future beyond it. Thank you for watching.